Hello everyone, just hold on a second. I'll be back. Just 1 minute. So, so yesterday and today we have seen around 1,400 point rally up and down. And yesterday the market was up by 300 points, and today the market was down by 1,000 points. And yesterday closing was very high in Bank Nifty, and we thought that the market will go very higher and touch the all-time high by next week. But unfortunately, what happened? The market took resistance exactly at this level, and from there it started to falling. And yesterday itself, we came to know that somehow the market is not able to break this level, that is 43,643, and exactly that level was acting as a good resistance zone at the first leg of the fall when it started this year. So it came down all the way from all-time high to around 42,000 something, and then from there it went up to 43,000. So only 1,000 point rally happened from this place to this, and this level is the place from where the selling came. So from here it started to fall again, and somehow we thought it is going to keep on holding this level, and as expected it break. So as expected, this broke this level, and we have seen some close over there. Okay, but this candle was very this one. This candle is not a very confident one because it's a kind of a doji candle. That means market is an indecisive position, and the next day itself it formed a bear candle. Okay, so on that day also we didn't have any clue that the market is going to fall drastically the next day. And the next day, as you see in our chart, started to fall drastically, and again one bounce back happened, and again it came up to this level, and we thought it is going to be act as a double bottom, so that maybe after market is going to close above this level, they can close above this level, we can expect a good rally. But unfortunately that didn't happen. So once market touched this level, that is double bottom neckline, this place, from here it started to fall again. So again it broke and closed below this level, and we thought it is going to fall some more, like the market will reach up to this level 38,000 and 37,000, but that also didn't happen. So actually my expectation was the market should reach this level, but unfortunately that didn't happen. Market took support exactly at this level. So this is why whenever you are looking for the market, or you are looking for some support and demand zone, you should consider a particular zone, not exactly some line. So if you consider this as a zone, maybe after this you can change your view, because the market came up to this level and from there it took some support. It's just a week here, right? So this is how the market will give us some clue. So whenever you are taking the trade, you can consider this as a zone, or you can consider this entire consolidation as a zone, because here you can see around 2 weeks of consolidation in this zone between this 1,000 points range. So this is how the bank nifty will react. So from there again, yeah, good consolidation happened at this place, and here also I consider this as a double bottom. Okay, because if you see that in 1 hour candle, you come to know why I'm saying that. So it's kind of double bottom. Okay, so this neckline breakout happened, and from there a good rally happened, but unfortunately we were not able to capture that, since we are doing the intraday. We used to just do the scalping, and today what happened is the market, as I said before, this level was acting as a good resistance, and yesterday market exactly closed that level. So in case if it is closed above this level, then we can keep our open position to the call side, but unfortunately it closed exactly at at this level. That's why we closed all our position. And today opening itself, market gap down around 574 points. And in my Telegram group itself, I stated that in case if the market is going to close below 43,050, then you can short the market. So as expected, the market closed below this level, and from there again a fall of around 4 300 to 400 points happened. In case of the morning itself, you were not able to utilize the trend which was happened both the sides. At least once this level is broken, you can enter. So that is what we were expecting. Why I have given that level is because if you see the day candle, so from this place market took support and went all the way high up to this level. And today this level got broken, so it was around this level, so it's around 43,100. Okay, for a hedge I have given 50 points more. Okay, so that's why once this day low is broken, that means the previous day low, this day low, day before day low, once it got broken, I definitely know that the market is going to come up to this level. So as expected, up to this level the market came, and from there some rejection happened. So once the market touched that level, we closed all our positions. Okay, so this is how the price action will work. And even now you can say that this level is your support zone. Okay, from this place to this place, so it works out to be around 42,650 to 42,000, sorry, 42,000 or 41,984. So this level will act as your support zone. So when this level is going to get broken, that means one of the day candle should close below this level, then you can expect further downfall up to this level. So as of now, I'm not expecting the downfall. Maybe in bank nifty we can see some downfall, but nifty will take good support at 18,000. Okay, so maximum it can come up to 17,863. Okay, it is not going to fall, it is not going to fall below that. And you know very well that in March, sorry, in April month itself, the rally was around 3,000 point from here. If you see from the last expiry to this expiry, April month expiry, it's around 4,000 points. So considerably, this can be a good correction in case if it is going to come up to this level. So it went up to 5,000 point, and from there again we can expect around 1,000 to 2,000 point consolidation. So that is a good way to keep the market higher side, and so that once this retracement has happened, from there the market can go somewhere up to all time high, or it will go up to 45,000. Okay, so for this to happen, market should break this level, and it has to give the close above this level in one of the day candle. So until then it is going to act like this. And so as of now, market should rally around 1,000 point from this place to break this level. So as I said, always consider zone so that your entry will be always perfect. So once this zone is get broken, then you can expect the market to go further high. Okay, so you need to consider this until then you can stay bearish, or you can use a sideways strategy. That will be more helpful. So this is all about the price action. So what happened today is so once the market opened, it took support exactly at, so today we have taken all the trade based on the CPR, not by VWAP and MACD. Okay, so in the first half we did that. So after this candle close, so here you can clearly see that the market was not able to broke this level in the morning, and it took support exactly at the CPR levels, and it closed firmly above this place. And you can say the market took support exactly at previous day low. So after that we entered into call option trade. So first we bought some quantity around 1,000. 800 quantity I bought the call option, and I have made the profit of around 44,000 in that in the up move. So once the market touched the CPR, I closed all my positions. And then what happened is, from there again a fall happened, and I thought the market will go up to this level, previous day high. So that's why I shorted 44,000 or 43,800 put option. I sold around 400 quantities, but unfortunately, what happened from CPR, it took the support, sorry, resistance, and from there it started to fall heavily. So that's why I have lost heavily in this position. So morning I have made profit of around 44k, and I lost around 60k in this put option itself, because I sold that put option 400 quantities at 550 levels, and it went up to, I think, around 650 to 700. So I lost around 60k in that. So as that point, my uh, loss was around 22k in the morning. And after that, I didn't do any revenge trade. I was patiently waiting for the market to give me a good entry. And I have seen at the time, I have seen VWAP and MACD everything. So in the VWAP, this particular red candle closed below this level, and here also crossover happened. So we got three signals. uh, Candle closed below VWAP, and here we got the signal, and market took exactly resistance at this pivot level. So I thought, okay, so this fall is going to continue, maybe we can utilize that. So as expected, I entered here with around 1800 quantities of put option of 43,400. And in this candle itself I can able to capture around 1,25,000. Okay, so my 22k loss turned turned us profit of 1,25,000. So after that I didn't take any trade, because I know the market is going to take support somewhere here. As expected, once this candle came up to this level, I just closed my trade, and it went back and some consolidation happened, and again from there some breakout happened. I didn't take any trade on this level as well. And here you can see market took support exactly at this place, and here also I didn't take any trade. That means call side trade. Okay, I took one a call trade on the morning, and I heavily lost over there. So that's why I don't want to take any trade, because the market sentiment is bearish today. So I was patiently waiting till this level to broken. So once this level is broken with this candle decisively, I was waiting, because here you can see a clear support. Okay, I think this is S2 of CPR, and market took support here in the morning, and again it took support. So two times it took support here, and third time decisively broken. So whenever this kind of breakout is happening, market always will try to retrace back to this. Okay, so in case if I entered here, then I have to wait the market to give the reversal at this place. So in case if you are aggressive buyer, what you have to do is, in case if you are planning to buy 1,800 quantities or whatever quantities you are planning to buy 50% at the breakout, and at the retrace level you can buy 50%, 50% more. If you plan your trade accordingly, you won't get that anxiety or stress when you are doing the trading. So I bought around 1,800 quantities, something like that, here at this place, 1,800 quantities. And at this place again I bought 1800 quantities. So totally I was having 3600 quantities of bank nifty put option. That too, I think 42,600 put option, I think so. And that, after this candle it started to fall, and so totally I have the 3600 quantities. So I have captured around 30 to 40 points in that. So 30 to 40 points works out to be around 1.25 lakhs. So already I was in the profit of 1.25 lakhs, and I have made around In this trade I have made around, I think, 1 lakh 50 something. So put together today my profit is 2 lakh 84,000. So I can show that to you as well, so the positions and everything. So if you see here, this is the position we have taken. So I have entered and came out lot of the positions, and when I was doing the option selling, I bought something for the hedges as well. Okay, so everything is here. So this is the call option I was talking about. So I entered and I lost heavily there, and even in some put option I have lost, but that turned. So this is the put option where I lost around to 1 lakh, and after that I entered when the market was falling at 43,000. Sorry, 43,000 put option I bought at the time. This particular option was the loss of around 1.5 lakh, and then, so after my entry the market started to fall heavily, and that 1.5 lakh loss turned as a 2.5 lakh profit. And you can see a lot of loss and profit here, and here you can see in the call option I have lost around 1 lakh. So this is on that particular fall when that happened, and in this call option I have lost around 55k. And these are the put options where, and this put option I actually missed some opportunity in this put option, because I bought 3,600 quantities at let's say 300 200 something like that, and the market started to fall and it went up to 294. But as per my risk reward, what I did is, so once market crossed 220, I kept my stop loss at 225. So what happened is market went all the way down to 294 like that, and from there some consolidation happened, and again market got reversed back and hit my stop loss, and from there again it went to 234. So this trade was happened around in the last half an hour like that. So I was happy because I entered with 3,600 quantities, and if I capture around 30 to 40 points, that's works out to be around 1.5 lakhs to 1.2 lakhs. So that's more than enough. So I think I entered this trade around 180 like that when the put option was trading, and I can able to capture around. I closed the trade around 225. So here itself I captured around 45 points. So 45 points into 3,600, this works out to be around 1.5 lakhs something. Okay, so that is how we made the profit. And today what we did is pure scalping. So even the scalping, what we did is based on the CPR, we have waited some time to to utilize the maximum opportunity. So that's why I waited. In case if I done some scalping here, when the market touched this place itself, I should have come out. Okay, you can, whenever you are entering into the trade for scalping, and you should aim for 10 to 20 points. So since the market sentiment is bearish today, and it went all the way down, and it has broken every level decisively. So here you can see there is no any rejections or anything. This candle break this level very decisively and firmly. So that's why I entered here, and as expected, a good breakout happened, and it went all the way up to this level, but I didn't wait up to this level. So I entered somewhere here, and I came out at this place, and again I entered here. So this is the place where I entered 3600 quantities of 43 42,600 put option with 180 rupees, and it went all the way to uh, what to say 290. And sometime it was at this level. I thought, okay, the market is going to go further down, but unfortunately what happened, it came up back up to this level. So I have kept my stop loss at this place. So my stop loss was at 225. So this is the candle which hit my stop loss. So after hitting my stop loss, it again came all the way down to 250 to 260 levels. Okay, in case if I didn't keep my stop loss, I would have made profit of around 5 lakh today. But that is not how the market is going to reward you every time. So you have to keep strict stop loss, so that you won't miss the opportunities, as well as you won't make any big losses. So whenever you are entering the trade, that too, especially scalping trades. So once you see 20 points profit in your portfolio, you should keep your stop loss at 10 points. So when the 20 points is going to turn as 30 point, you should keep your stop loss as 20 points. That is how scalping will help you to make money. Okay, no matter what, you have to keep your stop loss very strictly. Okay, that too in the profit. So yeah, when it is going to make when it is going to loss zone, as I said here, so whenever you are seeing some retracement, let's say if I entered here, since I don't want to miss the breakout, if I entered here with two lots, and once this retracement has happened here, maybe your 20 point stop loss might hit. So but you can clearly see that some retracement will happen here. So in this kind of place you can add further more quantities. Let's say if I entered with two lots, again in this place I will add another two more lots, or three more, or four more, whatever I am comfortable with. And as suspect as reversal happen, in case if it is going to break and close above this level, then you can square off all your six lots. So that is how scalping will work. So when you are going to do the scalping, it's all about your psychology, how you are going to handle the market. And that too, if you are going with higher quantity, it's very important, because capturing 20 points or 30 points does not matter, that too with bank nifty. Okay, in case in bank nifty, if you are entering into the trade, you can maximum capture around 50 points to 60 points easily. But when your lot size is very high, when you are dealing with lot of quantities, and the quantities is very high, it is very difficult to hold to the trade, because when I am having 35,000, let's say 3,600 quantities, 10 rupees loss works out to be 36,000 loss. I mean 10 points loss works out to be 36,000 loss. So in case if I am going to lose 30 to 40 points, then I should have lost around 1 lakh in my capital. So my capital is around, let's say, 10 lakh, and 1 lakh loss works out to be 10% in a day. So that is not going to work. And moreover, in case if you like to close your trade also, there will be some slippage. So instead of 10 lakh, instead of 1 lakh, you will lose 1.25 like that. So that's why dealing with higher quantities is very risky. So whenever you are doing scalping trading, it's better to deploy only 10% of your capital. So in case if you have 10 lakh in your account, you can use 1 lakh to do the scalping, and rest of the money you can deploy into some other option selling strategy that will help you more. Okay, so this is the trade we have taken today, and I hope this will be very useful to you, and this will be very helpful to you as well. So in case if you'd like to ask any questions and you want to discuss anything about the share market, I have given my Telegram group link in the description. You can use that to join that link, so that you can discuss anything with me about the share market, and we will help you guys on taking the trade, or in case if you want to work on some strategies, those things we can teach you. Okay, teach you in the sense through YouTube live video only. I'm not taking any classes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. In case if you find this video very useful, please share this to your friends and family. Thank you very much.